Welcome to the in front of me NUBIA Red Magic 5S, and I'll show you how to turn on Always On Display feature on this device. So first you should go into the settings and click on the Always On Display section. Now just to activate AOD, click here on the settings icon and tap once on Always On Display switcher here. Now here we can set the start time and end time if you want. Here, as can you see. And here we can also show the duration. For example, now we have selected the 15 minutes. We can switch it to the 60, for example, or only to 5. Here we can change also the brightness of Always On Display here. And to pick up our phone to show feature, lower power off switcher, so we can turn it on or turn it off, so the AOD will automatically turn it off when your battery will is below 10%. And also the desktop shortcuts, so you can see that the icon added to desktop. And now here somewhere you should find the AOD here icon. And now when we'll just block the device, you can see that the Always On Display feature is successfully activated. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.